this rate, I may as well just remake the whole car. It's like an advent calendar. Oh, what are we going to get this time? Disappointment. Hey guys, welcome back to MK5 Rusteration. In this video we're going to work on the absolute disaster that is the Datsun 260Z. Now you may have seen our last video where we uncovered the absolute disaster that was underneath this wing and all of this section here that needs a full repair, a full rebuild. In this video we're just going to cut all of this out. Please click that like button for my sanity. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. So my tools of choice today is the chisel, the biggest f***ing hammer I could find, panel beating hammer, grinder with almost disintegrated wire wheel, cutting disc, which me and this cutting disc are going to be great friends today. Please hit that like button. Okay, so when I said I'm going to cut most of this section out, I wasn't actually joking. Now, I've moved the axle stands to underneath a a structural part of the sill. So I've removed all of this section. I've also cut through this. Now, I'll give you two guesses on what's behind that panel. And to be honest, I reckon that the original panel is behind. This car just keeps getting better. Look at this. Right, so this car is literally full of surprises. This panel here, this that you can see the yellow on, this is the original. This panel here, that panel there is another patch panel that they've put on the inside of the car. So not only have they got one patch panel, they've got the original panel that's welded, and then they've got another patch panel on the inside. Can I just point out that no surprise to me, of course, but this panel here, which was a patch repair on the inside, has also been welded quite vigorously on this inside edge. I don't really know what to say anymore, to be honest. It's like a deck of cards. Which card do you want? Look at this, look at the mess. Look at this bad welding on the original panel. Right, so this is the original panel. I dare say this was rusted out in this area. So they put this panel on the top of this panel, and then put these two panels on the top of this panel, and then put this panel on the top of this panel. It's like an advent calendar. Oh, what are we going to get this time? Disappointment. Now, while I've been in here, I've taken the liberty to investigate further within this footwell, and I can confirm that there are more patch repairs inside this footwell. At this rate, I may as well just remake the whole car, to be honest. Right, so unfortunately I don't have a 1 meter diameter cutting disc to get through 10,000 layers of steel that's piled on top of each other. So I'm just going to gently tap it with a small hammer. Right, now I've gently tapped it, I'm going to cut it from the inside and try and remove that whole section. Then at least I've got access into that chassis rail, and then I can rebuild it correctly. This is ridiculous. Well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've actually made the car more structurally sound by taking out these absolute ridiculous patch repairs. Liking the video will help my sanity, because look at the mess. We'll catch you in the next one.